So Team 558 is here at West Roxford Academy, and we are going to be giving a presentation to kindergarten through 4th grade students. And look at how cute these drawings are.
We've been studying robots.
God, I love this.
That is so cute.
Oh my god.
If you see here, look at all the pictures of the robots. That's so cute.
Yeah, usually we like take videos of
Yeah, I'm just gonna bring it up.
Boys and girls, and our visiting guests.
Good afternoon.
I want to extend to you a heartfelt welcome. Finally, the day has come for our math Blitz. For the past month, you've been learning about robots, making robots. The high school kids, they love your robots that are on the wall. And now we have a large life-size robot that's going to be going around and showing you different things that it can do. So we're going to have a fun afternoon. And now, Mr. Catella, he's going to introduce the Career Robotic Team.
So right now we're just going around to different classrooms, doing a couple bit of Q&As. So.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
What's inside the robot?
Yeah! You guys want to come around?
You guys want to go?
Oh, Janaya, they're going up front. Yeah, you guys want to come around and see what's in the robot?
Don't even try. Don't try to cut.
You guys can come around on this side too.
Do you guys have any questions?
Do you guys?
I want to drive it.
The robot's sleeping.
The battery's empty, so.
It ran out of charge, but you guys can look around. Do you know what controls the robot? Like, do you know? Can somebody tell us where the brain of the robot is? The brain.
Here. Right here. Right here.
Don't
tell us. Don't tell us. Don't tell us. It's that gray one right there.
Yeah, you're right.
Nice job.
That's the
Good job.
brain.
Yeah, that's the brain of the robot. You know how our brain tells all of our body parts what to do and how to do it? No? Well, our brain tells our body parts what to do and how to do it. And this is the brain of the robot. This brain of the robot, it tells the robot,
What to do.
like, it teaches the robot the language, the robot language.
So do you guys recognize anything else inside the robot? Like, what are these parts that you guys pointed to before?
Like little batteries thing.
Kind of. So that's the battery.
This is what's that? Battery. That I use. So this is the brain. No, this is the brain.
So these are motors, guys, right? These things here are motors. These are cold. Yeah. These are cold because remember how we didn't drive around a lot? Yeah. So these power the wheels, but these power this. So remember how we were using this thing a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why this is going to be hotter than those.
Who made you?
Yeah, so there's another team. It's called FLL, First Lego League. And what you guys can do is if you join an FLL team, you guys can make robots.
Legos?
Yeah. And as you guys get older and get older, you guys can join like an
we'll make robots together.
hours, like if it's a career.
I don't have any Legos on me today, but if you get Legos, it'll be cool. We'll build them together.
Oh, cool. Now you say can you do it?
So basically, we have 4 different prototype ideas, right?
Do you have scored scale on there?
Yeah. So basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to get an objective way to see which one works the best. So if you come and like, so we have the 4 different prototypes there, and then our different priorities that we're gonna rank from 1 to 5. And then we're gonna rank how well each prototype does each like task or priority. And then from there we're gonna assign each one of these numerical values to try to see like objectively which one would be the best.
All right, so